As the case brought forward by the proponents of marine phosphate mining at the High Court of Namibia continues, the NUNW and TUGNA organized protests in Windhoek and at the coast to denounce the issuing of an environmental clearance license for marine phosphate mining to a company owned by Omani billionaire Mohammed Al-Barwani and Namibian middleman Knowledge Kati.
We don't want phosphate mining to be done in our seabed because phosphate mining, it is a dangerous exercise because it will expose dangerous substances to the column of the waters in the ocean. The habitats for living organisms are going to be destroyed by this exercise. Mr. Kati must also tell the Namibians and the world at large where they have taken the evidence they use to say that phosphate mining can coexist with fishing activities. Apparently, even when the samples are scooped, some of the samples are thrown back because they don't want to take a representative sample that might jeopardize their opportunity because it might give results that are not in their favor.
Today on One spoke to Romeo Muyunda, the spokesperson of the Ministry of Environment and Tourism, to shed more light on the pending court case and the demands brought forward by the union in their petition.
The minister had an appeal hearing on the issuance of the clearance certificate that was given on phosphate mining. And based on that, the minister made a judgment then that the environmental commissioner must conduct consultations, 6-month consultations, because there was an understanding that after the hearing that there was no proper consultation that was given prior to the issuing of the clearance certificate that was issued for phosphate mining. So we have due procedures that we have to follow before we give our decision as a ministry, or we give our standing as a ministry. We have to wait for that court case, and also just to review the inputs that were received during the 6-month consultation from stakeholders and especially the fishing sector.
The unions recommended that in future, the government through the Ministry of Environment and Tourism establish an independent body responsible to carry out feasibility studies and environmental impact assessments, as this will provide more objective outcomes.